Hi. In Denmark, when someone sneezes, we say prosit. Means just about the same as Gesundheit, only it's in Latin for some odd reason. But yeah, back in medieval, you can even either have a good modern sneeze, really clears out your sinuses well, or you can pronounce to the world in less than half a second that yes, I am a winner of the plague lottery with regrettably non-refundable prize. Another thing you mention is cracking yourself up. Believe me, I've cracked myself up lots of times. But a thing that's helped me not to crack up is acting. You don't even have to act at a large scale or with very talented people. Just getting used to saying stuff with a straight face, and you have to keep the straight face, otherwise it all crumbles. Makes it a lot easier to go, I am the harbinger of doom. You will do as I tell you, or you shall have no egg and ham sandwich. Without cracking up at the sheer silliness of it. Bad example probably, but hey, it was there. Many people, once they're able to see through the smoke screen of glitz and glamour that Hollywood superimposes on their stars to make people idolize them, start to regard actors as somewhat odd. A strange gang, maybe even lit. Well, I'm no big shot myself, I'm just a small timer, but it's just about the same for most every actor out there. With regards to a statement that we're weird compared to the general public, I have to say that that is 100% irrefutably true. We are a weird bunch. But hey, our job is make-believe. Wouldn't you become quite weird if you hung out with creative types all day? On top of being creative yourself, and play a 9-year-old and a 43-year-old in span of less than a year. I've played an ethereal being, for Christ's sake. I think I'm entitled to being a little weird. A bit weird, that is. And while yes, I am sane, I'm also very weird and damn proud of it. Well, that's just about wraps it up. Have fun wherever you go after this, and please leave a comment. I love him.